Okay, those of you with 6.4 liter Hemi V8s in your pickup trucks, this is just something I learned by making a mess. The last couple times I did an oil change, you have this little drain funnel here that's built in around your oil filter. It's this little drain funnel, but the thing to remember is that it has a very small lip. See how small that lip is? So if you just yank that filter off, the oil is going to overrun that lip, and it's going to come all down into this cross member. And what it does is it goes in all the nooks and crannies of this cross member, and you'll end up with oil dripping out from underneath your truck for a couple days, and you're going to think that you have an oil leak, but you really don't. So what you want to do is crack that oil filter just very slowly and let it drain for a while. You can see that I barely made a mess. You can see that it's dripping out of that funnel very slowly. It did hit the drag link a little bit there, but did not make much of a mess at all. And when we do a cleanup, it's going to be very simple, and the truck's going to be bone dry again, and we're not going to have any drips underneath the truck in the driveway. The last time I changed oil in this truck, I did it in the street because I had projects in the garage. So I rushed it and I made an absolute mess. And this time I took my time and I just wanted to share my findings. So like I said, I just cracked the oil filter and let it drain for a few minutes. And then I pulled it off and flipped it right side up. So pulled the filter off and flipped it up, caught all the oil in it, and then I sat it in the drain pan to drain. And we are slowly draining through the little funnel, and everything is good to go.